Okay, so I have all my stuff cut out here. So just to let you know, I kept it the same size that it was in the file. And I used two 12 by 12 inch cardstock for the green. I had, this ended up using two 8.5 by 11 pieces of vellum, and then 3 pieces of the white cardstock to cut the rest of it out. So just wanted to show you for the cardstock, you want to make sure so it doesn't kind of curl on you, to remove that mat from the actual cardstock. And make sure you have a nice sticky mat. And that prevents it kind of from curling and rounding up on each other. So just going to remove these. There's a couple little extra snowflakes here that didn't get pulled out. Okay, so we're going to put the outside together first here. So you can see this one has the 2, this one has the 1. This one looks like it goes underneath it. So it looks like this one goes on top here. So I'm going to stick that in the base there and kind of bend it a little bit to get it to work on there. So this one actually goes on the top side of this one. Put that in there and then push this down a little bit so we can slide it up into there. And then when you open it, you have all those sides there. Okay, so then we're going to put our top and our bottom in, and this is what holds it, makes it hold stable. And these ones didn't. I think I switched mats in between, so my first mat wasn't as sticky, so it didn't quite get everything out of there. Okay, so these just kind of go inside these hooks right here. So they fit, the hooks fit into each one of these. This is where the green part of the sides is going to go. So I'm just going to hook these. In there. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Is hook them. And I love these lanterns that you don't have to use glue and tape. These designers do an awesome job. Okay, so you can see, there you go, I got the top and the bottom there. And then all we need to do is, so I'm doing white and green. You can definitely do it all white, all green, since it had the snowflakes. I wanted the snowflakes to be white. I wish it would have had like an extra snowflake so I could cut that out of white and put it on top of the green. I would have liked that better, but I'm gonna have an option. So on these ones, I know our last one, these actually went all the way up, so you didn't have to glue them. But these ones, you're just gonna have to add a little bit of glue and glue these on. You just wanna make sure that they're probably all going the same way. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and glue all of those. And I'm using that burly glue. I just put it into a smaller thing because my nozzle always gets clogged, and then I buy extra nozzles because it still seems to get clogged, but I can handle it a little bit better. And then I'm using the Cricut white cardstock. I think they're just the 80 pounds, so it says for a 90 pound for this to make it a little bit sturdier, but I don't have that. Didn't want to buy more, so I'm fine with just the 80 pound cardstock. So these are pretty thin on those cutouts. I was actually surprised none of them ripped, which is great. But you just want to make sure you have a nice clean blade, sticky mat for those small little ones. Okay, so we have all those. Now all we need to do is actually just stick these right in. The bottom one's going to fit in that edge, and it's going to curve a little bit and get in that top part. Okay, so I'm going to just go around and put all of those in. Okay, and before you put in the last one, you don't want to put in your candle. It's best to have a battery operated candle, so then you don't have to actually open it every time you want to pull it out. But I think I'm out of mine, so I am let's stick that in there. And there we have our cute little Grinch lantern. Already stands up all on its own. Okay, so I hope that helped get you started putting this cute little lantern together. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any tutorials, and happy crafting.